The UV Plunge UV Sanitizer Box uses strong ultraviolet and ozone cleaning to refresh everyday items like phones, keys, toys, and masks in a single cycle. Its generous 12-liter interior easily fits multiple bottles and a mix of household or baby accessories at the same time, which makes batch sanitizing much more practical. A 3-step timer lets you choose shorter or longer cleaning sessions, and the unit shuts itself off when finished, so you do not have to hover over it. Because the sanitizer folds down, stays fairly lightweight, and includes a carrying strap, it is genuinely convenient to take between rooms or pack for travel. The small viewing window is a thoughtful safety touch that lets you confirm the ultraviolet lights are running without opening the lid or interrupting the process. Overall, this sanitizer box combines effective ultraviolet and ozone cleaning with portability and ease of use, making it a strong option for people who regularly disinfect shared items.